is representing the lofty idea. Mr. President, you look well, and people who've been commenting, one of the first questions that we're told to ask you is, ask the president, what's his exercise regimen, or is it diet?
Well, I have, you know, I had an original, you know, fit that ran amok the last 1.5 years or 2 years, because we went into elections. And you know, when you have elections, you have a lot of pressure. Sometimes you take out the pressure on food. And you have to do this and that, and you don't have time to go exercise, and sometimes you eat because you don't know when you will find the next meal, so sometimes you overeat. So I decided to cut it down, because ile kibarua niko nae si kidogo. So you need to be alert. Ndio kazi iweze kusonga.
Asante sana. Our first topic for tonight